Okay, time is up. Let's start with candidate A. You have 2 minutes, you can begin now.
Good afternoon, examiner and fellow students. In my opinion, the mobile phone has made life easier. Mobile phone is one of the most significant inventions in the 21st century and in daily life. First of all, mobile phone help us to communicate, such as send messages, make a call in any time and anywhere to family or friends to maintain a relationship. Compared to the past, if I want to communicate with someone, we have to write letter or telegraph. This is waste of time. Besides that, we also no need send with our grandfather century as before. As before, want to use the big camera for taking the picture. The big camera want to use many film to take picture, and it is very expensive and heavy. Now we just need use the camera on mobile phone to photograph and take the picture that have a good quality. Now we have many good of mobile phones such as Samsung, Oppo, Lenovo, iPhone that have good quality of taking the picture. On the other hand, we also can store our information, data, file, document, picture in the mobile phone. We can also play the game, watch the movie, drama, and a lot of things in the mobile phone because in the past, the people just only can play the outdoor game such as chongka, play kite, hide and seek, and so on. Moreover, we can also get the latest information in the mobile phone and compare the newspaper. The internet is updated every day and more fast and quickly. We can also play the music to listen to release the stress. Compared to the past, if want to listen music, we have to use music tapes or radio. So mobile phone is so fast and easier. If we have mobile phone, we can also see the time more easier and fast, and we no need to see calendar, clock and watch and so on. Maybe many people don't have enough money to buy the clock and watch and another thing.
Okay, stop. Okay, let's listen to candidate B. You have 2 minutes, you may start now.
Good morning to all the candidates and examiners. In my opinion, the computer has made life easier because the computer can store data. For example, a computer can store songs, music, picture, and video. For the past, my grandfather they keep their document in the cabinet and they listen to songs by playing the radios. So when we have computers, we can play all the things by using one digital computer. And computer can help us surfing because our computer nowadays have using the internet, and we can through this to read on a newspaper. But for the past, they only read printed newspaper. Now the government also lets the student to check their result online, so it is faster than past. And the computer can help us in communication. For example, Facebook, Skype and Instagram. We can update our latest status through the internet and let the people know what we are doing now. And this communication can can make the cost become lower because last time the people only write letter to the others to communicate to each other. Moreover, computer also can play games. Games like Prototype, GTA, and so on. For the past, my grandfather just play outdoor games like kites, hide and seek, and so on. Now the computer also have a bigger external storage compared to the past. They only can store the document into the cabinet, and it is limited time.
Okay, stop.
Space.
Okay. Let's listen to candidate C. You have 2 minutes, you may start now.
Good evening to all fellow candidates and examiners. So in my opinion, the photocopy machine has made life easier. So my point is the photocopy machine is an innovation that has simplified and modernized the way business gets done. By allowing mass replication of an origin document, the photocopy machine enables members of the unit, office, or entire company to be on the same page. literally. Photocopy machine have become so integral in business that many home printers now come with an photocopy option, allowing business to be conducted and prepared for at home as it is at the office. So the original photocopy machine was designed to get the image on a piece of paper and reprint it on another piece of paper. This is the standard concept of the traditional and standard black and white photocopy machine. This is the most common form of photocopier and is used for business by school and a variety of the school as well. So it takes one piece of paper with words and image on it, can mass produce the works and image on other piece of papers. Standard black and white photocopiers are the least expensive. So moreover, for the business world that involve anything stylish, creative, or with just basic color, there are other types of photocopy machine that can satisfy any need. These photocopier function in a way that is designed to make business more efficient but not wasting valuable employee time creating and recreating necessary materials more efficient by not recreating necessary materials such as packets, three-hole punch, binder material, and so on. Photocopier have advised to advance to a place where they can photocopy color image, copy front and back, three-hole punch document, and even staple sets of documents. For example, Xerox Office Work Center 7655 line of multi-function photocopy machines that are able to copy color and black and white documents. Serve as a fax machine, operate as printer with compatibility with most major operating systems.
Okay, stop. Okay, let's go to candidate D. You have 2 minutes. You may start now.
Good afternoon to the examiner and all the fellow candidates. In my opinion, the electronic calculator has made life easier. It has made many brands of electronic calculators such as Casio, Sharp, Casino, Aurora, Comics, and so on. In 1970s, my grandfather was used finger and brains to calculate numbers and write down in a piece of paper with pen. By using hand and brains was caused many mistakes. Nowadays, we are in 21st century. They have invented a type of electric tools to solve our calculate problem. It's called electronic calculators. Besides that, by using electronic calculator, we can easier to solve our mathematical questions, even though some exercise have calculation inside. By using basic functions such as use simple pass to total our number, simple subtraction to minus the number, simple multiplications to multiply the number, and simple division to divide the number, so that we can fast and accurate to complete our homework and also can reduce mistake. Now there are many subjects have many difficult and complex questions with calculate such as MX, macroeconomy, basic account. So by using electronic calculator can help us to solve many complex questions by using complex functions such as log, factorized metric, equations, base, and so on. Moreover, calculate suitable to student and teacher to check the answer and reduce mistake. On the other hand, the price of electronic calculator is cheap, so that many people can afford it. In the past, student was used logbook to do the MX. It has spent a long time to complete a question with many mistakes. Nowadays, student can use an electronic calculator to complete all the questions and reduce many mistakes.
Okay, stop.